Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about how to make new friends.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, do you think making new friends is easy?
It depends on the person. For some people, it is easy. For others, it can be difficult.
I agree. Some people are naturally outgoing.
Yes, and some people are shy.
Were you shy when you were younger?
A little. I was nervous when meeting new people.
Really?
Yes, I often waited for others to start the conversation.
That sounds familiar.
What about you?
I was shy too, especially in new places.
Many people feel that way.
Why do you think making friends is important?
Friends make life more enjoyable.
That is true.
Friends can support us during difficult times.
They can also celebrate our successes.
Exactly.
Where do people usually make new friends?
At school, work, clubs, or community events.
Social media can also help.
Yes, but meeting people in real life is often better.
Why is that?
Because face-to-face communication helps build stronger connections.
That makes sense.
You can understand people's emotions better.
What is the first step to making a new friend?
Start a conversation.
That sounds simple.
It sounds simple, but many people are afraid to do it.
Why do you think that happens?
People worry about rejection.
That is very common.
Yes, they think the other person may not be interested.
But sometimes we worry too much.
Absolutely.
What are some good conversation starters?
You can ask about hobbies.
Like, what do you like to do in your free time?
Exactly.
Any other examples?
You can ask about movies, books, music, or travel.
Those are safe topics.
Yes, and they help people feel comfortable.
Do you think smiling helps?
Definitely.
Why?
A smile makes you appear friendly and approachable.
That is a great point.
Body language is very important.
What kind of body language should we use?
Maintain eye contact and have an open posture.
What does open posture mean?
It means looking relaxed and welcoming.